Without self-confidence, life is like a boat drifting in a river with no direction. No matter how smart you are, if fear and shyness control you, you will never reach your true potential. Many people live quietly, afraid to speak, afraid to fail, and afraid to be noticed. Stay with us till the end. This story might change the way you see yourself. Story: in a busy city, there lived a businessman named Richard. He sold salt to earn money for his family. Richard had a wife and 2 sons. His eldest son, David, was very shy. His younger son, Michael, was confident and cheerful. People often thought David was foolish because he stayed quiet. Many took advantage of his silence, but he never complained. Richard was unhappy with David's shy nature and often scolded him. This made David lose even more confidence. As David grew older, fear affected his studies. In exams, he couldn't write properly because he was nervous. Slowly, he started failing. Later, Richard asked him to help in the family business. David agreed, but he made mistakes and couldn't talk well with customers. Richard became angrier each day. One day, when Richard was away, some dishonest men came to the shop. They lied, saying, "Your father sent us to collect all the salt sacks." David was too scared to question them. They took everything and left. When Richard returned and saw the empty shop, he shouted, "You useless boy, you've destroyed my work! Get out and never return!" Hurt and broken, David felt his life was worthless. That night, he walked to the river, ready to end his life. Just as he was about to jump, an old man named Mr. Harris stopped him. David cried, "Why did you save me? I am useless. I can't do anything right." Mr. Harris said softly, "Life is precious. If you keep living, you can change. If you give up now, you will never know your true strength." David said sadly, "I am shy, weak, uneducated, and even my father hates me. Do I even deserve to live?" The old man looked at him and said, "Come to my house, follow me for 3 days. If you complete my tasks, I will show you the secret to life." David agreed. On the first day, Mr. Harris told him, "Speak to 10 strangers, ask about their lives." Though nervous, David tried. By evening, he had spoken to 10 people and even made a few friends. On the second day, Mr. Harris said, "Teach 10 children why water is important." Scared, David said, "But I don't know much." Mr. Harris smiled. "Just share what you do know." David explained 5 simple benefits of water. To his surprise, the children listened, and he gained a little confidence. On the third day, Mr. Harris said, "Now go back to your father and say sorry." Afraid, David said, "He won't forgive me." But he gathered courage and did it. Richard saw his sons change and gave him another chance. David returned to Mr. Harris and asked, "Now tell me the secret." Mr. Harris smiled and said, "You already know it. Your enemy wasn't shyness, it was fear. People see you the way you show yourself. If you believe in yourself, others will believe too. True strength comes from self-confidence." Years later, David became a successful and respected businessman. Remember, self-confidence is not something we are born with, it is something we build. Fear and doubt hold us back, but courage and small steps forward can change our lives. David once thought he was born to fail, but when he faced his fears, his life changed. Confidence grows every time we leave our comfort zone. The world sees us the way we choose to present ourselves. Believe in yourself. Take one step at a time. Soon, you'll find strength you never knew you had. If you like this story, please like and comment so more people can watch it. I'll be back again with another inspiring story. Till then, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.